How to use Repurpose IO, a basic guide. In this video, we're going to be talking about Repurpose IO, what it is, and how you're supposed to use it. So first of all, you're going to come to repurpose.io, obviously. Over here, you're going to see all these things: repurposing and distribution platform for video and audio creators. Focus on creating great content with Repurpose IO. You will expand your content. So basically, what happens is you have one platform. In that one platform, you're going to compile all your content and media, and from there, you can start scheduling and posting. Okay, so basically, you're handling your social media platforms from one place. So it's for TikTokers, video creators, live streamers, whatever you want. So to actually use it, what you're going to do is you're going to start off with a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Just go ahead and make your account. Now, once you've made your account, what happens is you can create once and publish everywhere, where you can quickly publish or schedule directly to all your platforms from one place. Automate your work. Okay, skip the hassles and costs of outsourcing. You can easily set up the template based designs. Now, you can also work less and grow more. So, with automation, obviously, eliminate time wasting tasks, no changes to video content processing, and a whole lot more. And you can see all these people who use Repurpose IO. And this is the pricing, which is pretty incredible. You have $0, $20, and $104, which is pretty decent pricing. And on all of these, you can get a 14-day free trial for yourself. So pretty incredible stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.